our kitchen. I'm Chef Eileen and this is Little Chef Ian.
Hi, I'm Little Chef Ian.
And for those of you that are new, make sure you keep watching our videos.
Subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell.
And we hope to bring our world into your kitchen. And today, we're going to be making caramel popcorn balls. They're so good. They're amazing for the holidays.
And they're our favorite holiday popcorn recipe.
Yes, they're delicious. Amazing.
But today, we're going to be making homemade popcorn.
Yeah. And it's going to have flavor, color, everything. So now the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands or work your hands clean and have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is
Merry Christmas! Happy Hanukkah! And Merry Christmas!
¡Feliz Navidad!
Yeah, let's try that again. The most important rule of the kitchen is
Safety first!
BAM! So now, let's get cooking! So these are the ingredients for our popcorn. We're gonna need our gluten-free popcorn. It's 1 cup, but since we're making 2 different colors and flavors, we're gonna do half a cup and half a cup. And we're using 1/4 a cup of oil. Fourth. Good.
Okay, so now it's time to make our popcorn. So once we put it, we're gonna slowly put our oil. Then we're gonna wait for it to warm up. That's when we're gonna put our popcorn. Okay, so now we're gonna slowly put our popcorn. And if you can't do it, let your parents do it for you. Remember, safety first. Then you're gonna need your safety gloves.
So what are you going to do now?
You're gonna get it, and then you're gonna wait. So I'm gonna take it so I can make some popcorn. So all of the popcorns get oil so they can pop. Oh! 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 I'm gonna shake it again. Get all of the fire so you can pop. Oh! 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 So I'm gonna say it again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that's going to help your popcorns to... Ooh, that looks amazing. Did you like to make popcorn?
Oh yeah.
Do you like to make popcorn?
Yeah. It's really fun because it's so fun to see it pop in the air. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you know it's when it's ready when it stops popping. That's when you know when all of the seeds are popped into popcorn.
Okay. I think I still hear popping.
There's only a few left.
Okay, so now we turn it off?
No,
Oh, until there's no popping. Got it.
because then you want all of them to
No
get
popping. Let's turn it off. And let's get a popcorn out.
It's ready.
So now these are the ingredients for our caramel. So we're gonna need sugar. Don't use brown sugar because your caramel is gonna come out dark. And you don't want dark popcorn balls. So we're making them colorful, so we need to use white sugar. So we need white sugar, We're gonna need butter. We're gonna need corn syrup with food coloring and our flavoring. I'm using red and strawberry flavoring. And Ian's using
mint and green.
perfect colors.
And we have 5 cups of our popcorn.
We're gonna need baking soda for our caramel, because if you don't put it in your caramel will not come out at all. So now, let's get to it. So now we're making our caramel. So what we're gonna need to do first is we're gonna pour our sugar. Sugar. Now we're gonna pour our cornstarch with the food coloring and the flavoring. Okay, that's good. Like that. Now we're going to. Oh wait, I forgot the butter. Sorry, butter. Get in there. Butter. Now we're gonna mix, and you cannot stop mixing until it's all combined. So we're gonna keep mixing, and then when you see everything is combined, we're gonna add our baking soda, and then just keep mixing, and then we're gonna pour our popcorn. It's not gonna take too long. Okay, so at this point, we're gonna pour our baking soda. Keep mixing. And then we're gonna pour our popcorn in slowly, and then put our we're gonna get our wax paper on our tray and pour our mixed popcorn into.
So you can cool down, so
Yeah.
you can be able to
Make the balls. Looking really good. Fluffy. So now we're going to pour our popcorn. There. Come on there, popcorn. Into the tray. I mean bowl. Oh, it smells so good. Can't wait to taste it. So now they're ready, and now we're gonna put it on our tray with the wax plate paper and let it cool so we can make our balls. So here's how you can make your balls. You get your wax paper, you put it around the popcorn and squeeze it together, and voila! Perfect. And then you put a stick in, and we're done. Ta-da! Perfect circle.
And if you just want to enjoy your caramel popcorn just like this one, just make sure you spread them around so they won't stick to each other, and you can have a very sweet and delicious snack.
Okay guys, so we're back! So we finished, and these are all our amazing colors of our popcorn.
But we got a little too excited. So we make these.
So
You
what
can-
are these?
Popcorn balls.
Ooh.
On a stick. And you can make them like this, or you could just leave it like that and eat it as a treat.
Like a caramel popcorn, just regular. And then we make caramel popcorn balls on a stick, like a popsicle. So now,
Let's
Let's
taste
try
it.
so now we're gonna try them! Well, he retried them.
Okay. That's a yellow.
Let's try pink. The strawberry tastes so good. Okay, so now
He's like, just let me keep eating.
I'm just gonna try all of them.
In some other colors, we use six cups of popcorn. So it actually just depends on how much caramel you want to have in your popcorn. So we like them either way.
So now,
Bye! Make sure to subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding! I hope you put a smile